Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about a challenge that many students, professionals, and technology learners are facing right now. Artificial intelligence tools like large language models are becoming part of everyday workflows. But many people still do not know how to communicate effectively with these systems to get useful and accurate results. Most users simply type short instructions and expect intelligent responses. But without proper prompt writing techniques, they often miss the full potential of modern AI systems. That is why learning prompt engineering is quickly becoming one of the most important skills for working efficiently with artificial intelligence in today's digital environment. One useful learning resource that explains this skill clearly is the book AI Prompt Engineering, Absolute Beginner's Guide, published by Addison Wesley Professional. This book introduces readers to the foundations of prompt engineering and explains how structured instructions can improve the quality of responses generated by artificial intelligence systems. Instead of treating AI tools as simple question-answer platforms, it helps readers understand how to guide intelligent systems more effectively. Another important advantage of this resource is that it explains prompt engineering concepts in a beginner-friendly way. Readers learn how to design prompts step by step, refine instructions, and experiment with different interaction strategies to get more reliable results from AI systems. The book also explores practical examples showing how prompt engineering can be used in areas such as writing assistance, programming support, research workflows, and productivity improvement. This makes it useful not only for developers, but also for business professionals and students who want to improve their ability to work with intelligent tools. One of the strongest features of this learning resource is that it helps readers understand how artificial intelligence systems interpret instructions. By learning these techniques, users can communicate more clearly with AI tools and avoid common mistakes that reduce output quality. Another helpful aspect covered in the book is how prompt engineering is becoming a valuable workplace skill. Organizations are increasingly looking for professionals who can use AI tools efficiently to support content creation, analysis tasks, automation workflows, and software development support activities. Because artificial intelligence assistants are now used across industries such as software, development, marketing, education, research, and business operations, learning prompt engineering can create strong career advantages for both technical and non-technical learners. This makes the book especially useful for beginners entering artificial intelligence workflows, students exploring future technology careers, and professionals who want to improve productivity using modern AI tools. So if you are interested in learning how to communicate more effectively with artificial intelligence systems and improve your results when working with AI tools, learning through a structured resource like this book can make your understanding clearer and more practical. You can check the link in the description to get this book from the two products, Addison Wesley Professional Publication website. Take care and subscribe to keep learning. See you in another video.